Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to reorder page. So if you want to reorder page, you need to create the new document, click file, new document, and I will use the blank document. The next, you can split the two documents, and in here, I will copy like this page 2. I will set into page 1. You can right click and then copy, click at this point in new document, and you can paste. The next we create for the page blank. So we have two page in here. You can copy again from another document, and then you can paste in the page 2. Okay, in here you can edit, you can sort again, and I will set the home into this option justify, and then for paragraph spacing I will set into 1. So that's it for a basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to reorder page. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.